I found this field called adversarial machine learning, which is all about hacking and disrupting machine learning models. And I was like, this is it. This is what I'm doing for the rest of my life.
Harriet Farlow is an AI cybersecurity expert and founder of Mileva Security Labs, working at the front line of adversarial machine learning and AI risk. She specializes in uncovering how AI systems can be attacked and how to stop it.
So I started Mileva Security Labs in 2023 with the mission of helping other organizations take AI security seriously too, which was like a terrible premise to start a company. No market, no one had heard of it. I spoke at DEF CON in 2024. That was a really incredible opportunity. Definitely the scariest thing I've ever done. Within a couple of months of that talk, I was thinking about how I could talk to more people about AI security, how I could get the message out faster. And I was like, I've always wanted to write a book. Maybe you should just write a book.
In cybersecurity, we need AI and AI needs security. It's a double-edged sword. It can be good for bad.
I think one of the challenges when people talk about AI is that they don't really know what they mean when they use the term. There are a few things that are fundamentally different about the way that machine learning models work, but we also don't really know. We don't know because there's no mandate for AI labs to release any of that information. And there's also still a lot of questions among the researchers about how they hold information. If you have a model that is billions of parameters big, where is this certain idea located? Or how does this certain input lead to that kind of output? A lot of those are still unknowns.
What was the change that made the biggest impact over the last years of AI has been evolving?
In terms of what I think the biggest change I've seen